Today we talk about responsive linear layout. First, set constraint layout to linear layout. Set background picture. Orientation is vertical. Weight sum equals 10. We create project like that picture. So I have some pics already, copy and paste here in resource folder contain drawable. Click OK. Remove this text view and create new linear layout. Oops. Set layout underscore weight equals 2.5. Set orientation equals horizontal. Another one is for containing weight equals 3 to contain 2 linear layout for 2 buttons. Set layout underscore weight equals 3. Set orientation equals horizontal. Weight sum equals 4. Another linear layout containing layout weight equals 2 to contain 2 linear layout for 2 buttons. Layout weight equals 2. Weight sum equals 1. Then create a button for image button. Layout width equals 0 dp. Layout height equals content. Layout weight equals 1. Background equals at drawable/image.png. Copy the above linear layout and paste here. For the next button for video. Then required some space. So create an empty linear layout for space. Layout width equals match parent. Layout height equals 0 dp. Layout weight equals 0.5. Orientation equals horizontal. Then we create another linear layout for share and rate us button. This layout containing weight equals 3 to contain 2 linear layout for 2 buttons. Layout width equals match parent. Layout height equals 0 dp. Layout height equals 1. Orientation equals horizontal. Weight sum equals 2. Now create linear layout for share button. Layout width equals 0. Layout height equals 60 dp. Layout gravity equals center. Layout margin left equals 10 dp. Layout margin right equals 15 dp. Layout weight equals 1. Gravity equals center. Padding equals 10 dp. Then create a button for share. Layout width equals wrap content. Layout height equals wrap content. Set background picture equals at drawable/share.png. Copy the above linear layout and paste here. For the next button for rate us. Then required some space. So create an empty linear layout for space. Layout width equals match parent. Layout height equals 0 dp. Layout weight equals 0.5. Orientation equals horizontal. Now we create another linear layout for help button. This layout containing weight equals 1 to contain button for help. Layout width equals 150 dp. Layout height equals 0 dp. Layout gravity equals center. Layout height equals 1. Gravity equals center. Padding top equals 10 dp. Oops. Padding bottom equals 10 dp. Weight sum equals 1. Now we create a button which layout width equals 150 dp. Layout height equals wrap content. Layout gravity equals center. Gravity equals center. Background equals at drawable/help.png. Like that picture. Now Aegean required some empty space. So copy that linear layout and paste here. Now if you have AdMob ID to show banner ads. So we create a linear layout for that. Linear layout. Layout width equals match parent. Layout height equals 0 dp. Layout gravity equals center. Layout weight equals 0. Gravity equals center. Now create ad view for banner ads. For that you should have to put dependency first. Layout width equals wrap content. Layout height equals wrap content. XMLNS ads equals http //schemas.android.com/apk/residential auto. Oops. Layout gravity equals bottom. Ads, ad size equals smart_banner ads. Ad unit ID equals at string/smart_banner. Go to strings.xml. String name equals smart_banner. Your ads ID paste here. And also copy paste your application ID here in Manifest. Thank for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.